In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change fonts in Confluence, which can significantly enhance the aesthetics and readability of your projects. This is perfect for making your content look more customized and engaging. Let's jump right in. To start off, navigate to your Confluence homepage. This is your primary hub where all your projects and workspaces reside. If you're not already familiar, the homepage is quite intuitive, designed to give you easy access to your content, so getting to the right place should be straightforward. From here, we're going to dive into the workspace of your choice. Selecting the right workspace is crucial, as this defines the environment in which you'll be editing your content. Once you've settled in your desired workspace, the next step is locating the specific page you'd like to modify. Now, this could be a page that you're currently working on or one that you've already published and feel needs a fresh look. You simply click on it to open. Think of this as the canvas on which you'll be painting your new design. Now that you're on the page, it's time to enter editing mode. You'll do this by clicking on the Edit button located at the top right of your screen. This brings up the editing toolbar, where all the magic happens. The edit function in Confluence is incredibly versatile, allowing you to adjust practically every aspect of your page's layout and text. With editing mode activated, the next step is to highlight the text you wish to change. Simply use your mouse or trackpad to select the section you want to update. Highlighting the text is essential because it tells Confluence which specific part of the page you're about to customize. After your text is highlighted, go ahead and click on the Format Text option. This is generally found in the toolbar and opens up a menu brimming with choices. This feature offers a variety of font styles to choose from, providing you a way to match your font choice with the tone and nature of your content. Take your time to explore the available font styles. Each option presents a unique look, so it's worth experimenting to find the best fit for your document. Whether you're going for a professional, playful, or educational tone, there's likely a font style here that will meet your needs. And there you have it, an easy yet effective way to change font styles within Confluence, adding a personal touch to your documents. Remember, customizing the visual elements of your page can greatly enhance readability and audience engagement. So don't hesitate to experiment and see what makes your content shine. Thank you for joining me today in this tutorial.